Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord stuck on a gray or black screen. So basically what you'd want to do is just go exit out on Discord. So there, just click on exit on Discord, make sure that Discord is closed, all closed. Then click on the tray here. So right click on Discord and click on quit Discord so that you can make sure that Discord is fully closed. Once you're done with that, click on Windows plus R. So Windows and R, click on that. So this will pop up, and type in percentage app data percentage. Just like so, click on enter, and just find the Discord option here. So what you want to do is just delete it. So right click, then just click on delete. So what that will do is basically restart your Discord. It will erase the data so that you can need to log in again. And once you're done with that, you just need to open Discord, and it will download some updates, and you just need to log in with your account again so that the gray or black screen won't happen. So if you just load up just like so, you just need to log in with your account. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I'll reach more people. See you in the next one.